What's going on, guys? Total Tech here. Welcome back to another PC build part list review video. So for this video's price point, we chose the $800 price point. The cool thing about this build is you actually save $4.62. So it's just right under $800. So if you want to spend that $4 on something else, you can. But this is the parts I chose with. So starting off, we went with the ADATA SU800 256GB SSD. Then, for our hard drive, we went with the Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard drive. And for our RAM, we went with the Alloy DDR4 16GB at 3000 MHz. Then for our processor, we went with the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. And for the case, we went with the Phanteks Eclipse P350X. So this is actually a very popular case in the Discord I've seen. Everybody's been posting about it, saying it's been a pretty good case, and I was able to fit it in this budget. And then for our graphics card, we went with the Asus GeForce GTX 1660 Super, and it's overclocked. And for fans, we went with the Piva CF512S BK 120mm fans. They come in a pack of 5, so that should fill out all the fan space that you need. And for our motherboard, we chose the MSI B450A Pro Max. And for our power supply, to power the whole thing, we got the Thermaltake Smart 600 watt ATX 12 volt power supply. So guys, the Thermaltake Smart Power Supply actually has a bunch of good reviews. Even I left a good review on it because I am using one of their power supplies. I just don't recommend some of their coolers because their coolers can get fried real easily / not work good. So, yeah guys. But anyways guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys like anything in this video at all, make sure to drop a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Also guys, links to the parts are down in the description below. See you guys later. Have a nice day. Goodbye, folks.